Hey guys, it's Matt and I'm back with another video today. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to make cactus soil mix. Because this way is like a lot more cheaper than buying back cactus mix. And a lot more efficient because you get more. So these are the things that you'll need. You need glass, or not glass, but any type of storage thing to keep your soil in and mix it in. Sand. Perlite, and just normal potting mix. Okay, so the increments that you want is 1 part sand, 1 part perlite, and 2 parts potting mix. So first I have my sand in I'm going to use Dixie cups as measurement tools. So first I'm going to put the sand in. And this is black aquarium sand. And the reason I'm using that is because I don't have any play sand, but if you have play sand, you could just clean it, wash it, so sterilized, and use that, and it's a lot more cheaper because, as you know, aquarium sand is very expensive, but this is all I have right now. So then, I'm going to open my perlite bag. I just got this yesterday. And I believe that this bag of perlite was $4 and something cents. I don't really remember. I think it was like 5. So 1, 2, and I might just put like a little bit extra because perlite and sand is what really helps the soil become fast draining and is basically the key essential to cactus soil. Because in cactus soil, you want everything to be fast draining. Okay, and then I'm gonna open this big bag of potting soil. And I don't know if you can tell, but as you can tell, the grass is all dead, so it's winter right now. And I heated this soil mix because plants don't like to be rooted in cold soil, so if you're doing this in winter, I suggest heating your soil so that the roots of your plants don't like get cold damage. So I'm gonna do 4 cups of the soil. And now it's all in your cup or whatever storage unit, and it's actually really pretty. It's like all the layers. So this is the black sand, or any sand, perlite, and then the soil. So now you're just gonna want to mix this all together. So I forgot to mention, but you're obviously gonna want a mixing utensil. So yeah, this is how you make your own cactus soil. As you can see the pumice, and you can't really see the sand because it's black, but yeah. This is very fast draining compared to the normal potting soil, which I'll show you. As you can see, there's not that much pumice, so you can tell the difference. And yeah, this is how you make your own affordable cactus soil.